Hello friends and my dear students, welcome back to my channel Phoenix Physics. Today we are going to learn electric field due to system of point charges. You know that superposition principle and Coulomb's law form fundamental principles of electrostatics, and you have already learned superposition principle. It explains the interaction between multiple charges. Today we are going to learn same superposition principle to determine electric field at point P. Consider a collection of point charges, say Q1, Q2 up to Qn, located at various points in space. For our convenience, I have taken 3 point charges Q1, Q2, Q3. Randomly, I have chosen one point, that point is P. Now, the distance between Q1 to P is R1P. The distance between Q2 to P is R2P. The distance between Q3 to P is R3P. Electric field at point P due to Q1 is E1P. Electric field at point P due to Q2 is E2P. These are all vectors because it has direction. Next one is electric field at point P due to Q3 is E3P. Then how do you calculate the total electric field? The total electric field at that point P is like this. This is my E total. How do you get this total electric field? You know the electric field formula, that is E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square R vector. Look at the diagram. Here relative length of the electric field vector depend on the relative distance of the charges to the point P. What is the meaning? From this formula, you know that E is inversely proportional to the distance, right? E is inversely proportional to the distance. Suppose if R increases means electric field decreases. This is the meaning for this formula. Now coming to this diagram. The distance between Q1 to P is R1P. This distance R is small. So R small means E is large, right? That is why I have drawn this E1P, this much length. Second one, the distance between Q2 to P is R2P. Here the distance is large. So E will be small. That is why I have drawn this much length. This is our E to P. Look at the third line. Here the distance between Q3 to P is R3P. This is somewhat bigger than this R1P. So I have drawn this E3P line this much. So what is the meaning? E is inversely proportional to R square. If R increases, E decreases. Based on this formula, I have drawn this line. What is your conclusion? The relative length of the electric field vector.
Relative length of the electric field vectors for the charges depend on relative distance of the charges to the point P.
Here I have 3 point charges Q1, Q2, Q3. How do you calculate E total? The total electric field, which is nothing but E1 plus E2 plus E3. Then how do you define superposition principle of electric field? The electric field at an arbitrary point. What is arbitrary point? Randomly chosen point. Here this is my point P. So randomly chosen point is nothing but arbitrary point. Due to a collection of point charges, here I have Q1, Q2, Q3. Due to collection of point charges is equal to the vector sum of electric field created by the individual point charges. This is called superposition of electric field. Here I have only 3 charges. Suppose I have collection of charges, say Q1, Q2, Q3 up to Qn. How do you calculate the total electric field? The total electric field at point P due to n charges. So E total can be written as E1 plus E2 plus E3 up to En. So how do you write this equation? By applying superposition principle. Know the formula. E is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R square R cap. You apply the same formula. Here I have E1 electric field. This is our electric field. So instead of this you can write it as E1P plus E2P plus E3P up to ENP. Now apply the formula, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is common for all the electric field. So take it outside. So remaining term Q1 divided by R1P the whole square R1P cap plus Q2 divided by R2P the whole square R2P cap plus Q3 divided by R3P square R3P cap. Up to you can write Qn divided by RNP square RNP cap. This is total electric field at point P due to n charges. Based on the electric field, I have written like this. Now, what is this R1P, R1P, R2P, R3P? These are all the distance. These are all the distance between Q1 to P, Q2 to P, Q3 to P up to Qn to P. Then what about this R1P, R2P, R3P, RNP cap? These are all the unit vectors. I hope you know that. Now you can write like this: 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation over I is equal to 1 to n Qi divided by RIP square RIP cap. This is our final expression. This is E total. Now you substitute 1 means you can get this term. Substitute 2 means you can get this term. Substitute n means you can get this term. So this is our final relation. So in this class we have learned superposition principle of electric field due to n number of charges. The final formula is E total is equal to, this is a vector. So final formula is E total is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught summation over I is equal to 1 to n Qi divided by RIP square RIP cap. This is our final expression. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my video. Thank you.